In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create and share a YouTube clip. So on this video that I'm on right now, over here you can see it says clip, which enables me to clip a portion of this specific video. Now if I go to the official documentation of clips on the support.google.com, it says this feature is an experiment that's only available to a small number of creators. Typically you'll see this clips button on gaming creators who have over 1,000 subscribers. Now to create a clip, all I need to do is click on clip, and I'll just pause that, and you can select the portion of the video that you would like to clip. You can clip up to 60 seconds. So I'll just clip like a 10-second portion of the video, pause it there, and then I'll give the clip a name. So I'll type awesome clip, and then all you need to do is hit share clip right here. That will give you a shareable link, and I do believe you need to be signed into your YouTube channel. Then if I copy this link, you can share it wherever you want, and I go to this link, you can see here it has two white borders where the clip starts and stops, and it will loop in that specific area. Then if they want, over here it says watch full video, people can share the clip or go ahead and watch the full video. So that is how you create and share a YouTube clip. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.